explain is the instruments we have. The main instruments are always in front of us. So we have the horizon, the sky, and the ground. And the yellow symbol is the aircraft. So now we are wings level on the horizon. If we turn, then the symbol goes with the aircraft. This allows us to fly when we don't see anything in clouds, or that we can fly on the instruments. This is the routing we are going to fly. So before we go, we program the route in the computer. This is a computer. We put the route from Paris to Madrid. This is where we take off. Papa Golf, PG, that's Paris Charles de Gaulle. We follow this line, we pass now. This is La Rochelle. This is Bordeaux. This is Bilbao, so that's the north coast of Spain. Then we continue. This is LAMP, that's Madrid. So the whole route is already programmed. And these are the engine instruments. We have two engines, engine 1, engine 2. Engine 1 is on the left, engine 2 is on the right side. These are the thrust levers. So when we take off, we increase thrust like this. This allows us to take off. When we land, we put them off. So this is for the left engine, the right engine. We have now crosses because the engines are not on. Switched off. On this screen we have all the different systems. Engine systems, lead system, pressurization. You can go on and on.
And these splits are the same?
It's always double. One for the pilot, one for the co-pilot. And this is how we fly. This is the control. So when we take off, we pull. If you want to go down, you push. If you want to make a left turn, push left. If you want to make a right turn, push right. One for me, one for you. And these are the flaps. You know what flaps are? Flaps?
No.
What is that? It's the part of the wing, the back part that comes out when you land or take off. We can control them by this. This is the radio. We are always in contact, maybe you hear, with the controller.
Yeah.
This is where we put the frequency. So if you fly, you always change from one center to another center. You always have to change the frequency. And this is where we put the frequency. And on top, Christmas tree. All the different controls for the different systems of the aircraft. You have air conditioning, electric system, fuel system, hydraulic system, all the lights of the aircraft, oxygen system, there's many more. Okay?
How long you been flying? Like how many years?
28 years.
20?
28.
Wow, it's long.
Long time.
How many hours?